Here comes Pete, strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school, and he sings this song. I'm playing in my school shoes. I'm playing in my school shoes.
Who is it?
In my school shoes. All day long, he sings this song.
It's Pete! Oh my god! Yes, Serena, you can give him a hug. Look, he's nice. Like Tubby. He's a nice cat.
Wait, can you see the cat? Where is he?
He's nice.
School is done. Pete drives
You want to come over here, Pete? Here.
Hey, come on, sweetie, I got you. It's okay. Yeah, you want to see his tail? You want to touch it?
I'm sure he's friendly.
Here. It's okay, sweetie. Hey. You can pet him.
in my school shoes. I was rocking in my school shoes. And I will do it again tomorrow because it's all good.